adorable.
I can't open this.
Maybe if you had gone to the concert instead.
Could you open it, please?
I would. But I'm old enough to know that I don't like opening aspirin bottles.
Hello.
Hey, Dad.
How do you guys doing? I thought cops could drink.
Listen, I wanted to say I had such a good time with you last night, and I wanted
hold
to.
on, I got a call waiting. Yeah.
Wolf, not a morning person. Good to know. Listen, I'm 5 away. I hope you like blueberry scones in Dusty Springfield.
Who is this?
Pepper, silly. It's going to be a scorcher in the desert today, so dress accordingly. Oh, this is your street. See you in a minute.